Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to fix the error B200 or B203 of a Canon Pixma printer. Typically, this malfunction is connected with a long printer startup connected with weird sounds. When you try to print some document, then after a while the error will pop up and you will be not able to continue printing. This error is caused by a malfunction of the printhead. The best way how to fix this issue is to replace the printhead with a new one. Let's see how to do it. Turn on the printer and open the top cover. Wait until the carriage with the printhead and cartridges will come to the service position or basically to the middle. Remove all the cartridges and then open the inner cover in the front. Before you will continue, you need to unplug the printer from the electricity. Move the carriage slightly to the right. Release the fixator. Take the printhead out of the carriage. This is the part that doesn't work correctly. Let's have a closer look. On the side, you will find some marks. Among other things, there is the model of the printhead. I believe there are multiple ways how to get the new printhead, but I have chosen to buy it on eBay. Pay attention to the description of the printhead, especially whether it supports color printing. The compatible printhead you can get for around 20 or 30 euros. Install it to the printhead by sliding it in and turning 90 degrees in the end. Then you can install back the cartridges. Fix the printhead. Plug the cable in and turn the printer on. You can close the covers now. Finally, you can try to print something. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your printing.